Happening today, it's tax day. Like we mentioned earlier, that means we have reached the deadline to file our taxes.
So if you've procrastinated, hey, you are not alone. As TurboTax says, there's about 50% of people that don't like or hate filing their taxes. I kind of figured that statistic would be a little bit higher. Yeah. So if you've put it off, 13 on your side, Aaron Sullivan joins us live in the newsroom with a few tips to make this process easier. Aaron, good morning to you.
Good morning to you both. Yeah, April 15th, finally here, which means today is the last day to file your taxes. The IRS expects millions of people to submit their returns today. So if you waited until the last minute, don't panic. We have some advice for you. The first thing you should do is make sure your process is organized. This is going to make it less stressful. You want to gather your documents together. This includes your Social Security number, W-2 or 1099 forms. You'll also need any savings and investment records and proof of eligible deductions or tax credits. The IRS website has a more detailed list on those required documents. Then you can use a free tax filing service online. The IRS also lists those on their website. And once you begin filing, check for misspellings of names and Social Security numbers. The IRS says those are the two most common mistakes. Another suggestion from experts, if you waited until today, it's not a bad idea to file an extension.
Many people rush during this time to try to get their tax return in. And in that process of trying to submit their tax return, they're moving so fast that most often they'll forget some things off their tax return. So the first thing that I would say to do is number one, just file an extension today.
Today is also the deadline to file an extension, which will give you until October 15th to file your taxes. If you have any additional questions before filing, the IRS also offers free resources like the Direct File program for eligible taxpayers and the Interactive Tax Assistant to answer any questions. Even if you do file an extension, today is still the deadline to pay that, the IRS, if you owe money to them. So you'll also want to make that payment today to avoid any late fees before you file. Visit our website for more last-minute tips at 13onyourside.com. In the newsroom, Aaron Sullivan, 13 on your side.